let me tell you about the types of quadrilaterals. But before that, let me recall about what are quadrilaterals. A four-sided closed figure is called as quadrilateral, which has four sides, four angles and two diagonals. Now let's talk about types. Basically, there are only three types of quadrilateral. One is trapezium, second one is kite, third one is parallelogram. But what about square, rhombus, kite? They all are the types of parallelogram. Parallelogram, where we talk about rectangle, then rhombus, then square. They all are parallelograms types. So today we discuss only these three types: trapezium, kite and parallelogram. Now what is trapezium? So there is no need to draw this diagram. This is only for explanation. And now I am just explaining what are trapezium and what type of it, how the diagram is look like. And yes, now trapezium, when we talk about, I am just drawing the diagram of it. First of all, trapezium is just like a four-sided figure. Fine. Now let us discuss. In trapezium, first we can see that it has four angles, 1, 2, 3, 4, and four sides. Yes. Now if we talk about trapezium, it has only one pair of parallel sides. Which pair is parallel? Now if I am giving the name A, B, C, D. So AB is parallel to CD. They will never meet each other. But why not AD and CBC? Because if we extended these two lines, they will definitely meet at a point. You can see that they will meet at this point. Yes. So that's why it is not called as parallel lines. So AD and BC are not parallel, but AB and DC are parallel. So what is trapezium? Trapezium is a quadrilateral which has only a pair of parallel sides. Clear? And in this diagram, AB is parallel to CD. AB is, this is the sign of parallel. AB is parallel to CD. Now there is one more type of trapezium which we call as isosceles trapezium. So what is isosceles trapezium? Isosceles trapezium is that type of trapezium in which yes, it looks like this only, in which one pair is parallel and other pair is equal. Yes, these two sides are equal, and like AB is parallel to DC in this case also. Again, AD and BC are not parallel, and AD and BC, which are non-parallel, are equal sides. In this case, it is a general definition, it is specific. General definition, only one pair is parallel, whereas in isosceles trapezium, one pair is parallel and other pair is equal. So isosceles trapezium is that trapezium in which one pair is parallel. I am writing in bracket why? Because we are considering this diagram. AB is parallel to DC and other pair with equal sides. You can see that these two sides are equal. That is, one's equivalent AD is equal to BC. Clear about this? Students, When you complete exercise 12A, I am requesting you to write the heading types of quadrilateral, write down trapezium definition on the ruled page, this diagram on the blank page, then you write down isosceles, which is a part of it, and then you draw the diagram on the blank page and definition on the ruled page. Clear? Thank you.